Okay, welcome. This is going to be an upper body, whole body workout, pretty much with the anchor up on the top of the door. It really works the arms and the legs into squats, and it's a little bit more cardio, this one. I like to think this starts to get the heart rate up, and I always start with this when I'm feeling like I need a little bit more energy. So Anna's going to be working with us today. We're going to go 10 minutes, 1 minute each round. So let's do a squat to stand. You're going to bring your feet slightly turned out, arms out in front where you can feel a little bit of tension. Then as you squat, bend the knees and bring the hands to the side, and then control back in. So any type of squat where you're sitting the hips back behind you and just letting the knees come to the toes is really going to work that glute area as well as the upper body. Nice work. I find this one really gets the heart rate up quite quickly, and we're just moving through it back and forth with the arms, keeping the neck long, the shoulders away from the ears, resisting into the straps, feeling a sense of that lower tummy, a sense of hugging down there. Last 10 seconds, beautiful work. Nice. You can see the door's nice and firm, the anchor's in there, the door's not going to open. And you can do this with the anchor on the other side as well, with it up into the roof. Last one. And nice work. Then relax. Then we move into a lunge position. So stepping one leg back. That's it. So still working the arms again. I'm going to press down and bend the back knee as you press down. And then control as you lengthen and come back up. You want to think about elongating the body, the head reaching up towards the roof. And the sense of the hip bones facing the front, almost the door there. The heel is lifted and the back heel is lifted. And Anna's got enough range to go quite low, but if you feel a little bit wobbly, you don't have to go as low as well. Nice work. Great. Last 10 seconds. Remember to keep that flow of breath as you move through the exercise. Sometimes we want to hold tension, not that you were at all. Last 3, 2, nice work, and 1. Great. Starting to get warm, we can swap to the other leg doing the lunge series. So this really works the back glutes as well as the arms. So let's move through the next round and press and bend. Seeing how your knee is tracking over your toes as you do it, and keeping that back heel lifted for stability. And really, as you press down into the legs, think about lengthening the head up towards the roof for that sense of press and elongate. Press and then elongate. Nice work. Good. Now the heat will start to build. We've got last 15 seconds. And if you feel yourself wobbling, just reduce the wobble. Last 2, beautiful work. And last 1, nice. Then let's perhaps just do one more here. So you're going to bring your legs facing the front, so both at level. And then bend the elbows as you squat. So you're going to go bend and then stand. And you may need to walk back to find more resistance. This is working the upper body again, and it's working it into a functional squat position. I like to think that sense of sitting back into a little stool. So you're keeping that pelvis nice and level, that tailbone moving back. That looks great. Really nice. Good. That's it. We've got the last 5, 4, pulling the arms, 3, nice work, 2, and last 1, and relax. Good. Okay, so let's turn around, face the back. I'm going to do the front upper body and the core as well. And as you turn around, just check the straps are nice and level so they don't shuffle through the anchor. This time we're going to go the same as we did before, but you're going to bend first, arms down towards your side. Then as you stand, squeeze through the legs and reach the arms up. That's it, nice work. And even a soft bend in the elbows. Yeah, that's it. And as you stand. So the arms are getting a little bit tangled, just make the arms face up towards the roof. And really we're working that whole pattern of sit to stand, sit to stand. That's it, nice work. Beautiful. Good work, keeping the nice tracking of the knees over the toes, the sense of the head reaching up towards the roof. And the last 5. Good. Good, last 2. And last 1, getting a little tangled. And then standing with that one leg forward again, we go into our lunge series. So let's do our arm hugs. So you're going to get the arms out to the side and then bring the arms forward and then control. So we can just stay static for this. So you can rest, bend the knees and bend that back knee, yep. Keep the tailbone long, neck long. Beautiful. So holding that position is going to be working the muscles just as much as you would be moving in and out. So sense of stability in the lower body, you're really keeping it active, hips facing the front and just working the upper body. It's the stability that you're challenging in this one. Nice work, let's go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, nice work. Let's go to the other leg. So we start to finish off our 10-minute routine. Gonna hold that lunge, reach the arms out to the side and scoop the arms forward. Yes, good. Nice work. The resistance is going into that inner arm line. The sense of the hug through the center. The neck is really long. Beautiful. Nice work. Last 15 seconds. Feeling the glutes start to really work. The legs are getting a little bit of load. Last 4. Well done. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Let the arms come back. Our last one, stepping the leg forward, and we're going to keep the feet quite balanced here. And just see if you can bring the arms out to sort of in front. Yep, and you can feel a little bit of load there. I might just bring your arms up to just bend here. We might just do this one and bring the arms forward and out in front. So when you're on an incline in the body, it actually really switches on the front chain, the front part of the body. So that general leaning forward, you could even go a little bit more forward. Yeah, beautiful, like that. Yeah, nice. And the shoulder blades are remaining nice and still, and the hands are reaching out and away from the forehead. I find this really works that center, and you can feel all the muscles of the front body working really hard. That's it. Let's go for 4, 3, good, 2, 1, and then finishing with a nice stretch. Always bring the arms up and then just bring the arms out to the side is a really nice one, just to open up through those pecs, and just doing that a few times back and forth to release those muscles you've just worked in the workout. Beautiful. Great, last one. And then relax. Thank you, and our beautiful work.